matters. I'm appearing two of them.
We'll have to
The-
examine the policy decision. Where is
that-
your affidavit?
That question has to be examined, but I just want to make one submission up front. There are approximately 2.30 lakh students who sat for the PG exam. As a result of this relaxation,
There is interestingly another case which came before us,
Yes,
saying that it must be reduced further.
more than zero.
Negative.
Negative.
Never said zero, but
So we asked,
said it
Might
should be
as
reduced.
well-
how is it
Exam only.
possible? We posted that matter also.
Yes, let's say item 65.
60. You are appearing there.
Now, out of the 2.30 lakh, the normal process is 50th percentile above is treated as qualified. So 1.15 lakh apparently is qualified for the total number of seats, which are about 80,000. As a result of this relaxation, because there's only one thing in respondent one's mind, which is we must fill up seats, nothing else, no consideration about merit, etc. Your Lordships and PT Srivastava, the bench has specifically said filling up seats is not the priority. The priority is to ensure that the best education receives the best, most meritorious students, and therefore treatment of patients.
This is postgraduate.
As a consequence of this relaxation,
Srivastava is not postgraduate.
no,
PG?
specifically PG, specifically one para 56, specifically on PG. Now, as a consequence of this relaxation, out of the 2.30 lakh who sat, 2.28 lakh are being considered as qualified and are being given admissions, despite which even now in the latest affidavit, they say they have 2,988.
We'll examine the policy, Gopal, and what made them take a decision.
Yes, so this present last counseling gets over on 24th.
Urgency, is it?
I don't see the urgency, honestly, for them to fill this up.
Have
After this relaxation,
have you filled that up?
Yes, Malad.
they have 2,988 vacant. That's what their affidavit says.
Those people have.
Well, may I just also add, this has been done midstream, my lord. This is after the second round of counselling that this reduction has been done to make it a non-starter, my lord, totally.
Completely.
Who is she up here?
It's after the
Also
second
with
counselling.
us, with us. Miss Anand
I'm
is-
appearing in 55, yes, my lord.
Yes.
Where exactly is the policy?
Malad, page 11 is the of the counter that I've handed over to your lordship. This is the minutes of the meeting, Malad.
We don't have.
Page 11, your lordships don't have, Malad. The last.
It's the last two pages.
There's only one annexure here.
Yes, that's the only annexure.
The minutes of the meeting.
That's
It
it.
is
What?
chaired by DGHS. List of attendees, your lordships will see.
No, but then there is no material apart from just the decision here.
Malad,
Nothing.
I have asked them to give me
Notice.
the data which
With
was
some
put to the committee.
background leading to this decision, right?
Yes, so the decision in para 5 mentions the data from the National Board of Examination. There is also data from the previous years. This is not the first year.
Data can't be reasoning.
That is what we want to know. Exactly what you will have to tell us.
In case
After detailed deliberation and examination of the data provided, so therefore you file an affidavit. You file a detail. This is the affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the, let us see in the affidavit, how do you justify this decision?
Para 22.
Malad, I'll place it.
No, the answer is
Please-
para 22 is the reason.
See para 6, from para 6 onwards, Malad, page 3. Eligibility criteria to appear in NEET PG requires a candidate to possess a recognized MBBS degree and to have completed compulsory rotating internship. All MBBS candidates are required to secure at least 50% marks separately in theory and practical examination in order to qualify the MBBS degree. All such candidates have earlier qualified NEET UG or other competitive entrance exams to secure admission in MBBS. Admission to MBBS is strictly merit-based through centralized counseling. Therefore, all candidates appearing in NEET PG are academically meritorious individuals who have successfully undergone 4.5 years of rigorous medical training across approximately 16-17 specialties of modern medicine, followed by 1 year of compulsory internship. Thus, every candidate appearing in NEET PG is already a duly qualified.
This we thought you were going to say, but over and above that, what is that?
Then, my lords,
That's the point of distinction.
point number 7, your lordships will see the manner in which this examination
Third in a
ranked.
competitive ranking examination.
200 multiple choice questions carrying 4 marks with a total of maximum 800 and incorporates 25% negative marks.
Total seats and vacancy.
And then, my lords, total seats and vacancies is the third aspect. 2025-26 total seats available were approximately 70,000, corresponding to total number of candidates of 224,000 odd, while a total of 31,000 were available under All India quota across various specialties. After round 2, counselling, a total balance of 9,621 remain vacant under All India quota. And therefore, my lords, then we have given
You can skip
further submissions.
an issue. Hereafter, the seats become vacant.
Para 10, your lordships will see. This is the precedents on this.
Thus, we will take, because
Where-
this has not happened just this year, it's
Yes.
No, it-
It's
happening year
happened in
after year.
2023, yes. Can I,
It's happening year after year.
that's why one of the petitions, one very serious issue, I mean, it's a public interest issue. Of the seats that are going to government, in the government category, the fees that are being paid are between 9,000 and 27,000 per year. The fees that come from to the private colleges is 1 crore to 1.5 crores. Now, if instead of, and this is something they should consider as regulators, instead of just reducing
Is 9,000 to?
between 9,000 and 27,000, while the fees
Ah.
in private is between 95 lakhs to 1.5 crores. One of our prayers and one of our petitions specifically about this. Instead of reducing the percentile to this absurd 0%, what you should be doing is ensuring that the fees are not so prohibitive. So many students who have the merit are just can't pay. If you have to pay 1 crore, it's like a foreign education. 1 crore you can't afford. So those students are not able to take that, which is why it may mystify many of us that when you have 1.3 lakh available up to the 50th percentile, why aren't you filling up 85,000 seats? Because the fees are so prohibitive. That's why you have to keep going lower down so that rich people are able to afford this. That's effectively what is happening. Now, we can't have a monetary relaxation of this sort.
It's a serious policy.
It's a very serious issue that needs to be
serious
considered.
policy issue.
Challenge, fee regulation has been. The fee regulation, Malats, the NMC brought a fee regulation in which they stipulated that a bracket in which it cannot proceed, which is 50% more than the government college of that state. But that, Malats, we are not.
That's
But
okay.
they're violating then, full violation.
Neither NMC nor the Union of India have anything to do with the fees, my lord. It is done as per the Islamic judgment is done under the supervision of the retired
Whether
judges.
it's
Fee fixation committees.
Adversely, it's affecting the quality of education is what
yes.
we
That's
are
that's
concerned more
that's
than anything.
exactly it.
More than anything, it's about the quality. You will have to satisfy us that the reduction of the cutoff so drastically, virtually bringing it to zero and non-existence, though you were justified in saying that this is not like entry into MBBS, this is like a post-graduation. It stands on a different footing because those who apply are already doctors.
It's comparative merit.
But still, in the context of competition, you'll have to be reflecting.
Yes, also what happens is
You will put
here
it
it
up.
is
Put it
not
up.
only 0
five judges-
percentile, it's
Kapil.
minus 40 cutoff, my lords. Where you have negative marking, you will become a doctor, my lords, and super
Manoj, can
specialty.
you formally issue notice in all the petitions?
Notices already there.
No, it's only in one. It's only in one matter, not in all.
In my matter, my lords, has been issued, I believe, maybe in
21st को लगा दो. 21st is all right.
Yes.
21st, post of
But
21st.
my lord's formal notice. It's
Good.
only gone in one matter.
Appearing in 60.
I just
All of you
Just-
respectively take notices, issue notice,
no point.
file necessary
let's-
compilations and written submissions.
Millets,
to the
if
supervisor.
I am allowed to submit millets by the date this academic year may close.
Can't help. Can't help.
Yes, my lords,
Then
we
millets
had to
mostly in
mention for a
academic actors.
formal order of tagging.
Yeah,
It-
we'll do it.
it'll all come
all the matter together.
all the matters for you.
Millets,
All
if
the-
possible, consider millets any other shorter date because the admissions will be over for the academic.
21st.
March, Malats.
Ah,
That's a Sunday, Malats.
29. 20.
We'll be here.
That's
24th, 24th, 24th.
24th.
Very well.
not
You can come on Saturday.
Let's go. Could it be any shorter?
It is a matter,
So
Milord.
that the
Kindly
issue
have it
could
in
be
February,
relevant.
The
Milord.
list of those advocates
Notice goes
for whom the dates are fixed, you can negotiate with them.
I
Milord,
understand.